welcome to another video. Today what we got planned, we're going to be heading over to check out this multi-family property that's for sale. They're doing like an open house for it, so I figured I'd come and check it out. Something that I want to do in the future at some point is purchase another property, multi-family property. This one that we're going to be checking out has 2 units. It's in a nice area, location is decent. It's about like probably a 7 to 10 minute walk from the train station. So it's good for commuters. Seems like it'll be something that'll be easy to rent out. So I'm gonna just check it out, give me some motivation. Right now I'm just trying to get myself in the position to be able to purchase another property. So I'm getting my credit together, saving up some money. And yeah, but in the meantime, I'm checking out, seeing what the market is like. So on this channel you'll find stuff like real estate, cars, and some lifestyle traveling stuff. I'm excited to see what this property looks like. One of the best things that ever happened to me was coming across the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, and how in that book he showed the importance of having assets. And that's just really what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to create different streams of income for myself, and that's really what it's about. You know, you want to use your money to get assets, and those assets will put more money in your pocket, and you'll have more streams of income for yourself. So that's really just what I'm trying to do. You guys saw me with opening up the salon, as well as when I was getting my first rental property ready to be rented out. I feel like I've done everything by the book. You know, I went to school, got good grades, graduated college, got a job, and then it's like, what's next? You know, after that it's like, what's next? And you're stuck at this job and you're wondering, is this how it's going to be for the rest of my life? And I really just want something different for myself. So I'm really trying to build these different revenue streams, just so that I can someday quit my 9-to-5 and focus on things that I love, like cars, traveling, real estate, those kind of stuff. So yeah, on this channel you guys are gonna get to see me do that. I hope it inspires you guys as well, because I'm just a regular guy. You know, I'm not rich or anything, but I'm trying to get to a point where I'm financially free in life. And yeah, I'm sure there's other people like me trying to do the same, so we'll be on the same journey together. But yeah, so let's go ahead and check out this property, see what it looks like, give us some motivation. So yeah, so this would be cool. Let's go. This way to the first unit. So there's 2 units. The first unit is a 1-bedroom, and the second unit is a 3-bedroom. So this looks like it could be a living room. This looks like it's the bedroom. And you got the bathroom. They're saying this 1-bedroom unit could go for about $2,100. It's a very nice space. I like the floors. Okay, oh, this is the kitchen right here. It's a nice kitchen. Looks like they did the countertops, new appliances. This will be a nice 1-bedroom unit. Pretty spacious too, and here's the bathroom. Wow. You have you got a washer, dryer. Some extra space out here. This is a pretty big 1-bedroom. So
this door, you can go to the second unit. It's open.
Oh, it's open? Okay. Let's go to check out.
Have to go around.
All right. Let's check out the second unit. Now we're gonna check out the second unit. She was saying, the realtor was saying the second unit could rent out for about $2,600. and it's facing the other way. There's also one garage parking. So you're saying you could rent that garage space for about $100 extra. Let's check out the second unit. Wow, it looks like they redid this one too. The countertops, the floors. Let's see what's in here. This looks like it's be the first bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom unit. We got the bathroom here. Looks like this is remodeled from top to bottom, which is good. It's not really easy finding multifamilies here, but this one is done really nice. I guess this could be the living room. This looks like it's the attic. It's a nice living room space. So far we saw the first bedroom. Let's see, this looks like it's the second bedroom. Okay, nice size second bedroom. Oh, there goes Nadia outside. Second bedroom's nice. We have another bedroom here with the closet. And then this is the first bedroom by the entrance. So this is the basement. Okay, yeah, so this is the basement you can make into a studio. Has a laundry here, refrigerator. Okay, so here's the garage. Let's see the garage. Alright, so here's the garage. Pretty decent sized garage. Fit one car. Alright guys, so we checked out the multifamily property. It was really nice. Man, that's one of the properties that I really want to get at some point, or something similar to that. Nice 2-unit, 3 bedrooms on the top floor, 1 bedroom on the first floor, and it even had a basement that had a window. The realtor was saying you could probably rent that out as a studio, which is cool. So that's all I have for today, guys. I appreciate you coming along with me to check out this property. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.